Now it all makes sense. And it's not what we thought. Samsung didn't just release the S25 Edge to compete with the iPhone 17 Air, but it's all part of a bigger plan. According to a new report from South Korea, Samsung is planning to launch the Galaxy S26 Edge right alongside the other siblings. But the twist? This new Edge might be here to end one of Samsung's flagships forever. So what's going on? Why would Samsung ditch an existing flagship? Let's break it down. Right now, the Galaxy S25 series is very simple. You've got 4 phones. The regular S25 is for people who love smaller phones. The Plus has the same features, but it's just bigger. And the top-tier Ultra phone is packed with everything for those who want to get the best Android phone no matter the price. And then we got the new kid, the S25 Edge. It's all about looks, made for people who care more about style than specs. But make no mistake, the Edge wasn't just made for fun, it's part of a calculated move. If we look back, the S24 series was a huge success, but Plus didn't sell that well. And even now, the S25 Plus has the lowest sales target of all the S25 phones. Those numbers are forcing Samsung to rethink. And now, that shift is already starting to reshape 2026. The latest report says Samsung will completely skip the S26 Plus, and the Edge will take its place instead. Samsung is positioning the Edge as the new mid-tier flagship in 2026. And the funny thing? Samsung might look like the trendsetter, but this whole shift, from ditching the old Edge design to axing the Plus, feels straight out of Apple's playbook. As you may already know, Apple is also planning to replace its Plus iPhone with a thinner iPhone Air. Like they've done this before with the iPhone mini. But here's the big question. What exactly is the Edge nailing that the Plus never did? Now, don't get me wrong. The S25 Plus is a powerful phone. It's kind of an underrated beast. But weirdly, that's also why people didn't love it. The truth is, apart from the size, there's just not enough difference between the Standard and the Plus. But here comes the Edge. It changes that completely. The S25 Edge has a bold, fresh design. It looks great, it feels great, and it has just enough differences in specs to feel like something new. It finally gives us a proper middle option between the Standard and the Ultra. But even with all the hype, the Edge still has one big job to do. And this job could decide the future of Samsung's entire lineup. The report says Samsung is already working on 4 OLED screens for the Galaxy S26 series. That means they might still launch both the Edge and the Plus next year. Even with all its beauty, the S25 Edge is still kind of a test. See, the S25 Ultra sold over 5 million units in just 2 months, but for the S25 Edge, Samsung is aiming to sell only 1.3 million units by July. If this works, the Plus could vanish for good. But here's where I think Samsung missed a big opportunity. For such a stylish and promising phone, they should have used a silicon carbon battery in the Edge. But they didn't. Instead, we got a 3,900 mAh battery that doesn't feel right. To be honest, we could be looking at the final chapter for the S26 Plus. And if the S26 Edge brings a bigger battery next year, it could take the spotlight all by itself. That's still a long way off though. But before all that happens, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 are on the way, and they're promising some insane upgrades. Click right here to watch all the details. This is Techtics, and I'll see you there.